You see, very delicious. You see the color has become like yellow because of my spicy, and that make very delicious. Try it. Welcome again. I'm gonna show how to cook another recipe of taro root. It's very delicious. So first of all, we have to peeling. This is the small one. Very delicious. And don't forget to like the video and to tell us in the comment how you think our recipe and try it. So this is 66th episode. I promise you to show any recipe of all country you will see. So I'm peeling those taro roots is very complicated. So now we put on heat. We have to boil before fry it. So I'm gonna cut in 2 pieces, the big one. Oh la la. So I have to cut it. So I'm cutting before boiling and after I will fry it. We cannot fry this big one. If you watch me and you love to cook, better have many spicy, because you cannot cook without spicy. This communication is about people who speak Kinyarwanda, because my channel is in English, so we have another channel in local language Kinyarwanda. This is for my channel. It's about politics and entertainment and etc. Why we cut it? Because you cannot fry it when it's still not cut. It doesn't cook well. That's why. And tell us in the comment how you found our recipes, and tell us which recipe you want to see in another video. Our next video, I'm going to show you something you didn't know. So I'm going to show what to do, what we add again. So I'm going to add onion. Those are 3 onion cut in small pieces. Those are 3 onion, and I'm going to also add garlic. It's really important to boiling together. And I'm gonna add also some spicy. First we have to add cumin. Like this one. This is clove powder. I'm gonna add also. This is a lot, like this one. Cinnamon. We have to add also cinnamon powder. Paprika, Spanish paprika. I'm gonna add also. Black pepper. Like this one is enough. The last one, turmeric. Like this one. So I have to mix well. So you see it changed the color of the water. It become like another things. So now I'm gonna add also Maggi. Maggi, remember, is salty. Oh, I'm adding also curry powder. I have forget to add also this curry powder. You put all. And I'm gonna add those. I'm gonna add 5 is salty. So I'm gonna press it. So I'm gonna add with the wooden spoon. So of course the water has changed because of those a lot of spicy. And we're gonna let them boiling like 15 or 20 minutes. pot is boiling, but the water has changed completely. So you see, so I want to show how it looks. So it has, now we have boiled like 15 minutes, and we let them cold like 30 minutes, because it's good to fry when it's cold, because when it's still hot it's very soft. The taro root is very soft. That's why I'm gonna fry it now. So I'm gonna fry it in hot oil. So this is a sort of akra, but cooked in different. They will be the same, but not totally the same. And it's very delicious. If you love taro roots, you would better test it. For me, I prefer this one, this recipe. So we have to wait a few minutes. So our taro root is ready. You see? Try this recipe, you will never regret it. You will tell me how you found this so delicious. Very delicious. I'm telling you, try to cook to your home. That's why I'm showing all recipes around the world, to show you. You see? My taro roots. Very delicious. Very delicious. You see? Very delicious. You see the color has become like yellow because of my spicy, and that make very delicious. Try it, you will never regret it.